Imagine losing your arm and then, over weeks, watching it grow back, perfectly formed, nerve by nerve, bone by bone. This isn't science fiction, it's real. And it happens in nature's most astonishing regenerators, salamanders. These amphibians don't just heal, they rebuild entire limbs from scratch. Unlike humans, whose wounds scar and heal slowly, salamanders activate a hidden biological blueprint. Their bodies don't just repair damage, they erase it and start over. This process begins with a single signal. A tiny cluster of cells at the injury site remembers what the limb once was. This blastema, a mass of undifferentiated cells, is the true miracle. It's not just regenerating tissue, it's reprogramming identity. These cells forget they were muscle or skin and become whatever is needed: bone, cartilage, nerves, even blood vessels, precisely in the right order. And here's the mind-blowing part. This process takes place without inflammation or scarring. No immune storm, no fibrosis, just clean, precise rebuilding. In humans, that same inflammation often blocks regeneration. But in salamanders, it's silenced, almost like the body is in a state of controlled calm. This isn't just about limbs. Salamanders can regrow entire hearts, spinal cords, and even parts of their brains. They're not just surviving, they're thriving with full functional recovery. For us, that's the ultimate dream, to heal without limits. We humans have lost this ability over millions of years of evolution. Why? Because our bodies prioritize speed and efficiency over regeneration. Healing with scar tissue is faster, and in dangerous environments, speed saves lives. When we lose a limb, our body floods the site with immune cells, scar tissue forms instantly, and the regenerative potential is locked away. Our genes for regeneration are still present, just turned off. Like a dormant engine, waiting for the right signal. Salamanders, on the other hand, never lost their regenerative toolkit. Their immune system doesn't attack the blastema, it protects it. In fact, certain immune cells in salamanders actually help guide regeneration, acting like construction supervisors. In humans, immune cells often destroy regenerative cells by mistake. It's a tragic misunderstanding. Our body's defense system sees the blastema as foreign and attacks it. That's why we can't regrow limbs. Our immune system won't let us. But here's the hope. Scientists have found that when they suppress inflammation in mice, some regenerative abilities return. It's not magic, it's a reset. We may not need to evolve new powers, just reactivate the old ones. At the heart of regeneration is a single gene, PAX3. In salamanders, this gene stays active after injury, acting like a master switch. In humans, it's shut down. But when researchers reactivated PAX3 in mouse embryos, they saw tiny regrowth in digit tips, proof that our genes are still capable. Another key player is the protein FGF. It's like a chemical GPS, guiding cells to their correct positions during regrowth. Salamanders flood the wound with FGF, creating a perfect roadmap. Humans, we barely release it at all. Even more surprising, salamanders use ancient genes, some dating back to fish. These genes, once thought to be useless in land animals, are now proving vital. Evolution didn't discard them, they were just waiting to be reactivated. Scientists have now mapped over 200 genes involved in salamander regeneration. And the most exciting part, many are identical to human genes. The difference isn't in the tools, we have them. It's in the instructions. This means that if we can figure out how to turn on the right genes at the right time, we might one day regrow lost limbs. Not with magic, but with science, precision, and a little help from our evolutionary past. In 2023, researchers at Tufts University grew a fully functional limb on a frog tadpole using bioengineered scaffolds and salamander-like signals. The limb had bones, muscles, and even nerves, proving that regeneration can be guided. At the University of Pittsburgh, scientists used stem cells and a special hydrogel to regrow a mouse's fingertip, complete with nail and sensation. The nerve endings connected perfectly. This isn't just tissue, it's function. In Japan, scientists have developed a regeneration patch made from silk and growth factors. When applied to wounds, it reduces scarring and boosts healing speed by 70%. It's not a limb, but it's a step toward one. And in a stunning experiment, scientists injected salamander proteins into human skin cells. The cells began behaving like regenerative cells, forming blastema-like clusters. We're not just studying salamanders, we're borrowing their power. These breakthroughs aren't science fiction. They're happening now. And with CRISPR gene editing, we may soon be able to activate the dormant regenerative pathways in our own bodies on demand. But we're not there yet. Regrowing a human limb isn't just about growing tissue. It's about restoring movement, sensation, and connection to the brain. That's the real challenge. Scientists are now testing electrical stimulation to guide nerve growth. Early trials show that mild pulses can accelerate regeneration by up to 50%. It's like giving the body a GPS for nerves. Another frontier, 3D bioprinting. Researchers are printing layers of living tissue with embedded blood vessels and nerves. The goal? A fully functional, bioprinted limb grown in a lab ready to implant. And some teams are even exploring xenotransplantation, using salamander cells to jumpstart human regeneration. It sounds wild, but early trials show promise in boosting healing in diabetic wounds. The dream isn't just to heal, we want to transcend healing, to grow back what's lost, to unlock the ancient power that once lived in all of us. And thanks to salamanders, we're closer than ever. Every time you heal a cut, you're using the same ancient machinery that salamanders use. Your body has the tools, it just needs the right signal. And science is learning how to send it. This isn't about becoming a salamander. It's about remembering what we once could do. Evolution didn't erase our potential, it buried it. Now, we're digging it up. And you're not just a viewer, you're part of the future. Every donation, every share, every question fuels research that could one day give someone back their arm, their leg, their life. So the next time you see a salamander, don't just think cool creature. Think, this is my future. And if we keep asking the right questions, one day, so will you. The power to regenerate isn't magic. It's biology, and it's already within us. We just need to learn how to wake it up.